rare and ready to go. They built her in Atlanta and sent her up the road. She's rocking and rolling and she's ready. She's hand-built to handle too. She's not scared of the snowstorms. She's gonna pull us through. Sometimes we're overloaded with tree length, not firewood. We're fueled up with plenty and in line under the hood. She always seems to be a going